Hey boys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you guys how you can get funded with a crypto prop firm and so that you can trade with up to $300,000 worth of capital trading Bitcoin, altcoins, and even meme coins. So the prop firm that I chose is Client Funding, and they have partnered with us right now to give you boys a 25% discount on standard evaluations. Use code FTCMOON. And then if you want to get an instant account, you don't want to go into the evaluation testing phase, you can also get instant 15% off using my codes right there. So before we start the video and tell you my whole strategy and how to pass this, please subscribe to my channel, boys, if you like this type of tutorial videos and tra- trading setups daily. Basically, I give out daily setups for altcoins and Bitcoin, my market outlook, technical analysis. I post this daily here on my YouTube, so make sure to subscribe. All right, so we have a bunch of accounts actually for client funding. You got a one step, two step, and three step. You also have instant accounts. But if you are a complete beginner and just starting out trading futures, crypto futures, or perpetuals, I would highly suggest that you stick with one step so that it would be easier for you to pass. Because if you get two step, then you have to pass it twice, which will give you pressure and all that. And if you go for instant accounts, the drawdown is different here because it is trailing, meaning it's not static. It will follow your account. So let's say you make money and then on the next day you lose some money, your drawdown will get tighter because the drawdown is trailing. All right. Okay. So why prop firms, you ask? I think this is the golden age of prop firms right now, and we want to capitalize on that because let's say you have a $500 trading portfolio. So if you make 10% on that on a month, you only get $50. But with a bigger size, $50,000, let's say you pass an account for client funding, you get a $50,000 account, you can make with up to $3,000 or $5,000 just by hitting a 10% profit by the end of the month. I think that is very doable and possible. A lot of people are already doing that. That's why I got a 50K account here as well. If you want to pass this account with me, go ahead, subscribe, and make sure to follow so that you don't miss the trade setups that I will give. So this, looking at this, boys, it's like a no brainer. Um, Disclaimer though, you will not be trading on a live account, like live brokerage. All of this will be done on a demo simulated accounts. It's still like live, but it's just on demo. The reason is, yeah, it's an evaluation phase, and then this prop firms will only make money if you fail, so that you keep on buying evaluations. But we can still capitalize and still make money if we just stick to our rules and become profitable. So uh, this is very, very possible by the end of the month, boys. 10%. A lot of people even make 20, 30%. So you just have to stick to the rules and make sure not to breach your account. Now, there are other ways the prop firms also make money. They don't just make money, I think, on the evaluation, because if they see a prop firm trader trading on their platform and they actually see that trader pull out money every month, they're actually going to start copy trading that with a real account, and that way they can also make money from that trader just by copy trading that trader. I'm not other prop firms actually move you to a live account once you hit like 6-10 payouts. I am not sure with client funding yet. I do have to ask them, but other prop firms do that. So Those are the ways that prop firms make money. They don't just make money from evaluation and sign up fees. So rules are simple, boys. You have to hit your profit target so that you could pass, and then your best day must not be 30% or below total profits. So for one step, you have a consistency rule of 30%. And for two step, you got a consistency rule of 45%. For Instant Pro, you don't have any consistency rule. The downside, though, is the trailing drawdown, and you can also scale up to $2 million worth of capital here. So me, I'm just a beginner. I'm going to use one step only. Then once I actually pull out some profits, I might get an Instant Pro and then scale up to 2M. So um, I just want to explain like what is the consistency rule. Basically, your best day profit must not be above 30%. It must be 30% of your total profit target or below. So example, for my 50K account, I have a maximum drawdown of 8%, which is 4,000. I can only make $1,200 per day so that I can pass the account because my profit target is $4,000. Now, after passing that, like there's no limit. Like I can make 2,000, 3,000 as long as my total profit, my best day is not my best day is not like 30% of the total profit. So let's say on a month you make 20, 30% on a 50K. You just have to stick with like daily basics, like $500 per day, $200, $1,000, $2,000, as long as your overall profit is big by the end of the month, and then you can pull out your payout. So they pay out within 24 hours with cryptos. It's very, very nice. You must not hit your daily loss limit or you will breach your account. That's a hard breach for static accounts, and even your maximum loss limit. So I have a $2,000 daily loss limit and a maximum loss limit of 4,000. Basically, whatever you choose on your maximum drawdown, that's also going to be your profit target to pass the account. You can choose 14%, 10%, but me, I just wanted to stick with 8% on a 50K account. So it's not that hard to pass. Plus, I have a bigger breathing room for mistakes and drawdown. Because with a $4,000 drawdown, I have to lose a lot with my strategy and setup for me to breach my account. So it's already good for my strategy because my strategy is simple. I'm gonna be risking $200 to $300 per trade or $100, and then I'm only gonna be aiming for $500 to $1,000 per profit so that I can pass this one. To give you guys an example, I gave this short trade on my YouTube channel. This one, I think this BTC, no, this monthly close. So I gave this yesterday, and look, if you use 0.5 size, 0.5 BTC on this trade, and then you would have made like $2,000 with a very tight stop, like $100. So even here, like what I said, this could be your stop, this liquidity right here. So risking $300 on a trade, aiming not even there. Like I would just aim for 1,000, something like that. One is the three, whatever. So let's actually see what is this. Whoa, hold on. Short position. So our stop would be this high, then target would be this low here. So actually, that's a 1:5 risk to reward ratio. This is actually a great trade yesterday that I gave you boys from my video. So that is our strategy, boys. We're only be gonna trading key levels with a tight risk and best risk to reward ratio so we can maximize our profits and not breach the account. Actually, there was a long too, but I didn't take this because it's weekend and the volume is very low. So I honestly didn't take this. So let's say you longed here 0.5, there another 1K. So yeah, with even small moves, you can make money with Bitcoin. That's why it's better to trade with prop firms so you can trade with size. Because with $500 on a capital, you don't want to trade this with a 100x leverage. You're just gonna get liquidated, boys. All right. Um, Another rule: do not request demo funds from that account. Because the platform is gonna be on Bybit. You're gonna breach the account if you request funds, and you can only trade USDT perpetuals. Don't trade spot. Don't trade USDC. Only trade the USDT perpetual pairs. All right. Platform is Bybit. So if you need KYC on Bybit, you don't need to worry because you just have to sign up an account, use a VPN, so that you can just use the demo side for you to trade it on. No need to KYC for Bybit, but you do need to KYC for client funding. No, but no country restrictions right now. They cater to everyone in the world. So like me, in my country right now, Bybit is actually banned, so I have to use VPN to access the demo account. All right, so very easy to sign up. Just buy an account from them. You can start with 6K, 13K, 30K, whatever you choose. My the reward reward split that I chose, by the way, is 80%. You can even use up to 100% to reward split on this platform. So this is what I chose, 80% on a 50K, and then my drawdown is like that. So this is the account that I chose. All you have to do is sign up, use my code boys, FTCMOON, FTC Instant, whatever you want to choose. And then you got to go to your Bybit, make a sub account, go to demo, click start, and then go to API and make an API key. And you got to go to your client dashboard and then you connect it. You have to wait for connection. And then once you're connected, they will give you the funds, whatever funds, whatever size you chose. They're going to send it to you, and then you can finally start trading. All right, so that is it for this video, boys. Very simple rules. I'm sure we can follow this. So, if you want to pass this account with me, if you want to buy an account with me, please use my code, and then we can trade this daily with Bitcoin and hopefully pass it in September. All right. So, um, for this one, if you don't know how to do this one, I will link a video in the description below on how to set up your client funding account. All right. So those are the rules. If you do have some questions, just let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe, boys. I've got some links below if you want a KYC, no KYC account. You got Weeks, Coinflare. We also have Bybit, a bunch of bonus if you use my affiliate links. All right. So that is it for this video. I'm excited to trade this 50K account with you boys and see you on the next one. Bye bye.